بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Shumaila Khair Naushad Ahmed, belongs to class 4th A. Dear audience, today my topic is sincerity and the correction of one's intention. Sincerity is the life of soul of Islam. Sincerity means that all our actions should be done slowly for the pleasure of Almighty Allah. There should be no ulterior motive. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Allah does not look at your bodies and your appearance, rather he looks at your hearts. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Allah, he who loves hates, gives and holds back for the sake of Allah has perfected his faith. Almighty Allah is watchful over the intention in our heart. It should not be that we spend our wealth on the poor or live in the path of Almighty Allah, but our intention, it's some wali, name and fame. We should consciously carry out all the action for Allah alone. Thank you.